Hi guys, today I'm going to solve a Leecode problem. The problem number is 169, majority elements. In this problem, we are given an array nums and we need to return a majority element. So what is a majority element? It is an element that appears more than n divided by 2 times. So we can assume that the majority elements always exist in an array. So let's jump into the example. It is more clearer. Basically, in this array of nums, the majority elements is 3, and so we need to find out if 3 appears is greater than n divided by 2. So n for here is the length. The length is 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So n appears 2 times. Is 2 greater than 1.5? Yes, it is. So 3 should be the output. Same goes here. The length is 7. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. And we need to find the majority element that is greater than 3.5, and 2 appears 4 times, and so that's the output should be 2. So let's code this out and see this in action. So for the convenience, I have already copy pasted the two examples and the hint where the length is divided by 2, and this is my nums array. So the first step, what I would like to do is create a variable result, in which what I would do is I would group this array, a simple group by, and then so what I would have here in memory is I would have a group of key, and in that key I would have items in it. So basically in memory it will look something like this. A group by clause would be something with a key. In our case, the key 1 would have item inside of the 3 items inside, and the group key 2 would have 4 items inside. Okay, so in this I would like to use a select clause, and then in the select we would use a new keyword to use anonymous type, where we can define our variables. So I would say key equals to x dot key, and then my value would be nothing but the count. So I can just write count, basically count equals to x dot count, right? So now in my memory, what do I have, right? I have an anonymous type of key and value, right? So it would look like this. So anonymous type of key would be same, 1 and 2, and the value, which is nothing but the count. Okay, I will write it count. So count would be 3 and 4. Okay, let's debug this and see this in action. Just put a breakpoint here. So I would have 2 items, perfect. So key is 1. The keys are 2 and 1, right? 1 and 2. So in 1 I have the count 3, right? The count is 3 here, and in the 2 I have count 4, right? That is what I wanted. So in this, what we need to do is the last step is we need to do a where clause. Okay, so where we need to check if our item, that is 2, which has a count 4, is it greater than the n dot length. Okay, so what I want to do is x such that x dot count, that is our variable, is that count is greater than n. So nums dot length divided by 2. Okay, and then what I would have to do in this is, let's arrange this a little bit better so that it's easier to read. Dot where, and then dot first, right? And then in that dot first, we just need the key. Okay, so what I'm going to return is an int. So let's just make this as int, right? So this is our resulting variable. Okay, that goes out. Perfect. So these are the steps. Let's just debug it and see if we get 2 for the first answer, right? So I should get 2. Perfect. Okay, let's put this code in action and see if it passes all the test cases. Okay, I copied this. I will go back. I will put this here. I didn't copy it, sorry. Copy, here you go. Go back, paste it. Okay, run the test cases. I'm running the test cases right now. Okay, perfect. And then submit it. Great, it passed. It was 88 seconds, guys. That's not bad. And thank you for watching. This is my code that I put together, and I hope I have explained it properly. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. And that if you want me to solve any questions from Leecode, please don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.